Assalamu alaikum, dear students of level 7. This is your teacher Hina from FGS Campus 9. So, dear students, today we are going to wind up one thing from the chapter prophethood. Last time we have discussed a lot of things from this chapter. Now I want to discuss their selection, and the thing which I want to discuss regarding their selection is that all the prophets that were sent for the guidance of mankind, so except Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, all of them they were sent to particular groups, and they were selected from that group. like जिस ग्रुप की तरफ, जिस ग्रोह की तरफ, जिस कबीले, जिस ट्राइब की तरफ किसी भी प्रॉफिट की रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी थी कि वो वहाँ के लोगों को गाइड कर सके टुवर्ड द पाथ ऑफ अल्लाह, सो द दैट प्रॉफिट इट वाज फ्रॉम द सेम ट्राइब, राइट. ठीक है, तो वाई डिड द सिलेक्शन वाज फ्रॉम द, क्यों जो सिलेक्शन थी वाज फ्रॉम द सेम ट्राइब, सो दैट द पीपल ऑफ दैट ट्राइब दे कैन अंडरस्टैंड हिज मैसेज ईजीली, राइट बेटा. ठीक है, सो बस एक one sentence you must remember, it was that so the people may understand the message easily, so that is why they were sent from the they were selected from the same tribe. Next thing is we are going to this is our next topic, and dua, which is recited, which must be recited by all of you whenever you visit any market. Dua is Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Bismillahi Allahumma inni as'aluka khayra hadhihi as-sawqa wa khayra ma fiha wa a'udhu bika min sharri ma fiha. Allahumma inni a'udhu bika أن أصيب فيها يمينا فاجرة أو صفقة خاسرة. In the name of Allah, O Allah, I ask you for the benefits of this market and for the benefits in it. I seek your protection from the evils of this market and from the evils in it. O Allah, I seek your protection from a false oath in this market and from the transaction of laws. Right, so you are going to write down the importance of this dua. Memorization is very important of the Arabic and the translation of the dua, and you must be aware of its importance, that why is it important for a Muslim to recite this dua or to recite in the market. So importance is this, actually whenever we recite this dua, so we recite this dua whenever we visit any sort of market, right. So the purpose of the recitation of this dua is to ask for the benefits of that market from Allah, to ask safety, protection from the evils of the market, and to get protected from the false oath, ठीक है, regarding selling, purchasing, right beta. ठीक है, it can be a seller among you, a person can be a seller or can be a buyer, right. So this is why I recited to get safety against false oath regarding selling and purchasing, and this dua is recited to get rid of a transaction of laws, right. Okay, if you either you are a buyer or a purchaser, so you must be protected from such sort of laws. So for all these things, for entire protection, either it is in the form of money or from the evils of the market. So from all such things you recite this dua. It was the importance. Now the assignment is first question of this assignment is, why did Allah send prophets to mankind among themselves? So it is the last question of your previous chapter, so your answer will be okay, that Allah sent prophets to mankind among themselves, so that the people of that tribe, of that group, they can understand the message of their respective prophets easily. And then you are going to write down the importance of this dua whenever you visit any sort of market. Thank you so much, level 7.